Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial about Google Meets. This is what everyone is using for their class meetings at least once a week, and we know that some students have been having trouble with either getting into the class meet or figuring out how to use the app. So I'm going to show you how you can do this through Schoology. I'm going to go into my Schoology app. And once I'm in there, I'm going to look at the updates, and your teacher should be posting either an update or sending a message or something to get you into that Google Meet. The first thing I can do is I can click on the link to enter into the Meet, and you can see I get a pop-up on my screen that allows me to open the app. Some of you are getting a screen that says there's an error or it won't work. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I open it in the app, and then I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to click open, and you can see that I'm entering into the meeting. You can see my face. It would allow me to join the meeting then. I'm going to go back to Schoology now. Another option I have is to click at the bottom right corner, that box with the arrow coming out. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to try open in Safari. And when I clicked open in Safari, it actually went straight to my app again. Some of you, it might go to the app or it might go onto the website, but either way, those are two ways to get in. Here's a third way you can do this. I'm going back to Schoology, and I'm going to click the X. And there's another thing here that says code. In that update right here, it says code. I'm going to press and hold on the code. Oh. I thought that would let me copy and paste. It's not letting me do that. So instead, what I'm going to do is I have a piece of paper right here next to me, and I'm going to write down the code. So it says the code is KMV-RHYG-FYG. Okay, I wrote that down, and now I'm going to press the home button once to leave the Schoology app. I'm going to go into the Google Hangouts app, which looks like a little video camera in a word bubble. And once I'm in there, I already had it on Join Meeting, but I'm going to go out of this. So I'm actually going to go back one. And right here it says New Meeting, or it says Meeting Code. I'm going to click this button here that says Meeting Code. And when I click on there, now I can type in what I wrote down. So I wrote down KMV-RHYG-FYG, and I'm going to click Join Meeting, and that puts me right into that same meeting. Now you can see at the top the code that I wrote down and that was in Schoology was at the top of the screen, so you can see I was able to enter with just the code too. So if the link is not working, your teacher will put that code in for you each week, and you can also type that in. I'm going to show you one more thing on Schoology. On Schoology, you will notice that on the link that's right here, that blue link, the last letters are the same as the code. So if your teacher forgets to put the code, or the link was working before but it's not now, you can look at that link and you can see, oh, the end of the link says KMV-RHYG-FYG, and that's the code. You do need to check. Some of your teachers might be using the same code every week, and some of your teachers might change the code. So just because you write it down once and use it doesn't mean it will always work, but you can go and check the updates each week before your class meeting. We hope this helps with Google Meets, but still, if you have problems, message your teachers or send an email to help@skokie69.net, and we will do our best to help you out.